land grabbing is a very, very serious issue now. And we need to sensitize the public of the incessant activities, nefarious activities, and notoriety of the land grabbers that we have. This has even gone into a very, very alarming stage, to the point that people are now being killed. People are now, they are afraid to even live in their community. We refute vehemently, we the human rights groups, we refute them over the alarm raised over the death threat on Chief Adetunji Yusuf, Wale of Ilamija Kekere in Ibejuleki local government. And the imminent attack on my very self, sometimes last month, by a group of unknown people working for one Arakat Audullah. That's his name. That's the name on his international passport. But he uses the name Ibile Sahid Moshaduluwa Ibile. That Ibile name is also incriminating, because we know Ibile Holdings owned by the Lagos State government, and Ibile Holdings is government owned. And how can somebody come and start using the same name to deceive people, to deceive the society, and be telling them that he's working for government? For crying out loud, we refuse this vehemently. In the past, this same man, has been reported that this same man threatened the life of one Yinka Igbinoba, threatened the life of so many people, and a lot of nefarious activities have been taking place in that place. How can a non-Nigerian, a foreigner from Niger Republic, come to Nigeria and come to Lagos, the center of excellence, and start killing people? He raised down an entire community, the entire community of Ilamija. He demolished their family houses, demolished their houses, destroyed wanton properties, and he's claiming those lands, that the land belonged to him. That's why we are calling on the Inspector General of Police, IG Egbetokun. We are calling on the PPRO of Lagos State. We are calling on the CP Idowu Olonwa to come to our aid, because this man is using police. He's using police everywhere. He goes with police, and they are just taking laws into their hands. I do not know when police have now become a guide and tool and instrument in the hands of land grabbers to commit nefarious activities and to grab people's land forcefully, and also constituting nuisance to the society, to the center of excellence. We call on our Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. We call on the commissioners and the minister. We call on even our second in command, Honorable Obasa, the Speaker of the House of Assembly, to come to our aid. We do not know what else to do than to cry out, because this man is disturbing the entire Ibejuleki and is making life unbearable for them. We have there are so many petitions against him. We've gone to land grabbers. This is our petition to the land grabbers, which we have submitted, and they are investigating it. It is unfortunate that the cabinet has not been constituted as at the time we submitted this petition to the Land Grabber's office. If not, I would have engaged the Attorney General to quickly and swiftly look into this. But I discussed with the coordinator of Land Grabbers, Mrs. Rukayat, Barrister Mrs. Rukayat, to look into this and see what it can do to help us out. We also submitted another petition to the Epe division of Nigerian police, but nothing has been done. Nothing, absolutely nothing was done, because when we got there, this same man, accompanied by more than 20 touts holding different weapons, accompanied him to the police station on the 17th of August 2023, and we saw the show of shame there. How he was distributing money, showering them with money, and buying the police over. And up to today, they have not been able to do anything about it, even despite the fact that the AIG Zone 2 called the DPO to assist in investigating this matter and to ensure that this matter is not swept under the carpet. But we are very, very surprised that nothing has been done about this issue. There are so many petitions against this man. We have also the Wale of Ilamija has also been victimized. He was kidnapped from his house and taken to an unknown destination by this same Ibile. Taken to an unknown destination, and he was brutalized. He narrowly escaped death, being killed. We have all the videos. The videos of these things are there. These are facts and figures. We are not just making up issues. This same man, Said, using the name Said Musa Doluwa, aka Ibile, is now threatening the life of Chief Adetunji Yusuf Azan Fasasi, Bale of Ilamija village, Ibejuleki. Is threatening the life of Barrister Ademilui, Samsudi Oluwo, and Najini Adeyinka Igbinoba. Regrettably, Ibile and his gang brutalized Chief Adetunji in his house and stripped him naked in another attack of peaceful communities in Lagos State by land grabber. We are calling on the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. We are calling on the Governor of the State of Excellence, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. We are calling on the Director of Department of State Services, DSS. We are calling on National Security Advisor. We are calling on the Inspector General of Police, IG Cairo-Egypt. We are calling on the PPRO to help us cascade this to the entire Lagos State. We are calling on all the police commands in Lagos State, including the AIG Zone 2, the DIG, FCID in Lagos, Annex, and also in Abuja, to come to our aid, and also bring the policemen that are accomplices in these nefarious activities of Ibile, to bring them to book and make sure that they are not and disarm them, because this is a serious issue and we must do something about it. We are just received several responses, to our clarion call against the most dreaded land grabber, who has gruesomely attacked and shot severally at Chief Adetunji Yusuf Azan Fasasi, Bale of Ilamija village in Ibejuleki. We call on our president and well-meaning Nigerians for the rescue of Chief Adetunji's village, because his village was attacked, invaded, and ransacked. He was also attacked at his residence, and he was taking truckload of cultists, policemen, and other agents of Ibile beat him to stupor and subsequently dragged him to Oba Kamarudin on Animashaun, the Oloja of Ekpe's palace, wherein they stripped him naked, just as they did to Samsudi Oluwo before the public, streamed live on several social media platforms. We are aware, we have the video, of the Bale of Ilamija before the Oloja of Ekpe, where they were questioning him and they were intimidating him after they have stripped him naked. We are aware now that the Bale of Ilamija is in imminent danger of execution. Hence, our demand for a thorough investigation into the several incidences that have gone unnoticed. We may bold to say that this dreaded group has constituted themselves into terrorist groups. This is the most alarming part of it. They have constituted themselves into terrorist group because this is how terrorism started. They've constituted into terrorist group, terrorizing the good people of Lagos State in gross violation of the extant laws of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We are laconically insisting that justice must be manifestly seen to be done at all costs, especially in this case, and that security agencies shall not continue to aid criminals because of the loot they share. Because I can remember vividly that at the DP office in Ekpe that day, he shared a lot of money, gave them a lot of money, and then nothing has been done about our case up to today. The culprits are involved in several heinous, dastardly acts of attempted murder, threatening violence, cyberbullying, gross violation of fundamental rights, cases against them, from Adeyinka Igbinoba, Samsudi Oluwo, the Chinese fraud case at SFU, traveling reckless records of wanton criminality cases of abduction with Natib, killing of a day-old baby for ritual in Akodo-Ibejuleki, to several acts of fraudulent misrepresentation and land-grabbing menace, reducing life nasty, brutish, and short. A veritable torture chamber to the entire group people of Ibejuleki and Ekpe axis, along other victims of these killers. I also call on the president of Nigerian Bar Association, our president, we elected you, Mr. Y.C. Michael. I know that our president is an action president. Ibile is also using the instrumentality of legal practitioners to work. He owns a law firm. The law firm's name is called Ibile Chambers, Ibile Partners. In that Ibile Partners, we have some lawyers in that chambers, in the person of Shamsuddin Olaleye, Ayodeji Olukunle, and Angela Igoluyo. We call on the president of Nigerian Bar Association, Y.C. Michael, and the entire and all the branches of NBA that we have to swift into action, and the escorts of NEC, Nigerian Bar Association, to swift into action and investigate these chambers, which is in violation of the rules of professional practice, is in violation of our RPA Act, and someone that is not a lawyer is not allowed to have a law firm. And the lawyers that are in his chambers, that are in his payroll, should also be investigated to know how they got to start working with this man, and what activities have he used them in perpetrating this heinous evil. We are we know that we are very grateful that we know that our president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria will swift into action on this case, and so that this matter will not be swept under the carpet.
I'm so surprised wípé a lè ròyìn ọbẹ̀ ní Ìlàmíjà àbí Lagos State kò yẹ pé Fúlàní kó wá mú mi nínú ilé mi kó máa threaten life mi pẹ̀lú many people tó wà ní vicinity mi ní Ìlàmìjà àìmọye ẹbí àìmọye àwọn tó nílẹ̀ ń bẹ̀ tí wọ́n lè rí bẹ̀yẹn wọ̀ mọ́ látòrí ẹsẹ̀ Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ yìí gbogbo ọ̀nà tó wọ Ìlàmìjà pátápátá ni wọ́n ti tà adẹ̀bẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ pa kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ bá ní ilẹ̀ yìí ò ń ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ́ ìbẹ̀jùlẹ̀ kí lélẹ̀ ìyẹn gangan pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí a ṣe ń pariwo fún gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì pé kán ṣàánú wa gbogbo lẹ̀pẹ́ tí gbogbo lẹ̀bẹ̀jùlẹ̀ kí tà ń sọ ní Ìlàmìjà yìí wọ́n ní gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì fún wọn ní allocation CFO wọ́n release ilẹ̀ fún àwọn tó yẹ kán release ẹ̀ fún wọ́n ta ọgbẹ̀ fún àwọn estate ara nílẹ̀ tá à ń sọ yìí ó ní Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ wà tó lọ kọ́ wọn group kan jọ tí wọ́n ń ṣe ọmọ ìlú a ní wọ́n protest lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àwọn protest ní Èkó so ìtàtọ̀ ọmọ nílẹ̀ ìtàtọ̀ ọmọ nílùú akọ̀ àríjọ wọn kan wá from there wọ́n ṣe oríṣiríṣi ní ìlú mi ìlú yìí kẹ̀yẹ́dẹ̀ belong sí Ọ̀nàbùtú family ìlú tá à ń sọ yìí Ọ̀nàbùtú family ló ní Ìlàmìjà ó dẹ̀ fọ́ sí Ìbẹ̀jú-Lẹ́kí omi tó wà láàrin àwọn pẹ̀lẹ́pẹ̀ kò ń ṣomi kékeré torígbà tí wọ́n ti gbé sí ọ̀fọ̀ wá sí Ìlàmìjà àárí wàhálà o nígbà tí sí ọ̀fọ̀ dé ló di pọ́ ọmọ nílùú gan ò lè wọ̀lú mọ́ tí Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ máa kọ́ wọn boys tó máa ní kábíyèsí ọba wa Anímàṣàun oníyàn kan ò gbọ́dọ̀ wọ̀lú pẹ́nìbọ̀dì tó bá mú ṣíṣí kan ṣe bọ́ṣẹ́ ṣe ṣojú wọ́n ṣe débi fámílì mi àìmọye fẹ́ǹsì tí Saheed fọ́ nílùú tó tún lọ ń kó blọọkù ní blọọkù lórí site tó dẹ̀ ń sọ yí pé nobody tó lè wọ̀lú tá à ń sọ yìí fún ìdí èyí èyí tí mo rí tó nìkan bíi last month ni wípé wọ́n fún wa ní mẹ́sẹ̀jì kan pé ká wá sí Blue Roof gbogbo àwọn tí ilẹ̀ wọn belong sí fish train zone wọ́n pe Yeguda Abumuti ẹ̀yàn Ọ̀sà kingdom wọ́n ní ká pàdé àwa lọ sí Blue Roof bàtà débẹ̀ a rí pé kíní yẹn ò ṣe é ṣe mọ́ mítì tá fẹ́ ṣe kò rí a dẹ̀ padà sílé kò jẹ́ pé abáyọ̀jà kò jẹ́ pé a mention anybody the next thing ta rí ni pé Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ láti lọ kọ orúkọ àwa ta lọ sí Blue Roof ó lọ fún wa ní petition láti area 10 ní Abuja okay at the end of the day mo rí petition yẹn ní Sunday ní lórí WhatsApp mi ó dẹ̀ pé wọ́n yọ mi pé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ okay tó bá di Tuesday wọ́n ní ká wá mo ń prepare fún Wednesday because owó pọ̀ lọ́wọ́ mi tó bá di Wednesday kan máa lọ gbà tó máa di Wednesday alẹ́ Wednesday pé okay ó tẹ̀ wọ́n pé kí n lọ sọ Èkó mọ́jú lọ́jọ́ yẹn tí n bá sọ Èkó flight mi kọ́ at the end of the day mo ṣáà ń gbọ́ láti bí time tá ti lọ sí Blue Roof yẹn pé Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ ń kọ́ ó kọ́ wọn talks síta wọn ò wá mi lọ́sàn-án wọn lo max pé ní kọ́ máa wá mi káàkiri pẹ́ níwẹ̀ tó bá ti rí mi pípa ni báwo pé ṣé irọ́ ni àbó òtítọ́ mo wá lọ sórí Facebook mo sọ̀rọ̀ mo post ẹ̀ sórí Lagos State platform from there ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn káàkiri everywhere pé kọ́ jọ kí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì wa kọ́ jọ tó lọ́wọ́ kọ́ gbà wá kọ́ má jẹ́ kọ́ pa ọgbọ̀n wọn èèyàn lu wa tán àwọn tí Saheed ń lò mo nígbàgbọ́ pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá tí Saheed kan kó sẹ́yìn pàápàá tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì bá lè mú ọwọ́ yẹn gan fúnra wọn máa ṣàlàyé àwọn security Saheed ń lò tó jẹ́ wọn tout tí wọ́n ń ṣe èèyàn léṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé kò ń ṣe ẹ̀dá kan ló bí wọn so at the end of the day tí mo rí ni wípé gbà tó di alẹ́ yẹn Wednesday yẹn mo kàn rí pé Saheed wá sí àdúgbò ilé mi pẹ̀lú ìbọn lọ́wọ́ ọlọ́pàá tí wọ́n bẹ̀ sí ní ìbọn láìkiri àdúgbò something around level 30 ó kọ́ wọn security police ẹ̀ pé kí wọ́n invite mi kí wá sí station ọlọ́pàá kan ò tẹ̀lé wọn security police ẹ̀ náà jọ wá sínú ilé mi thank God mo dẹ̀ ń receive call pẹ̀lú mọ́mí wa kan lọ́wọ́ ń gbà ẹ̀ lórí phone the next thing bó ṣe wọnú ilé mi nìyẹn ó kọ̀ bẹ̀ sí ní da ogbó fún ogbó nǹkan nú ilé mi ṣe many things nà mí tó ní káwọn boys mi hang mi wọ́n ṣe mí léṣe to the extent pé gbogbo ojú yìí mi ì lè sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n á já mi sí wòwò wọ́n gbé mi jáde nínú ilé ó kàn sọ fún àwọn boys ẹ̀ pé kàn fún mi sẹ́yìn boot ó ní kàn gbé mi sí ẹ̀yìn boot ní kàn gbé mi sí tó bá gbé mi sẹ́yìn boot àwọn aṣègbàṣàwò má níwẹ̀ lára àwọn ọlọ́pàá yẹn wá tó tẹ̀lé wọn sọ fún pé security police yẹn wá sọ fún pé chief ẹ má jẹ́ kó wọ́n gbé ẹni yìí sí ẹ̀yìn boot ẹ jẹ́ kó fi sínú mọ́tò which is around 11:30 to 12 wọ́n wá gbé mi ó di palace ọba ní máa ṣàwọn lẹ́pẹ̀ ìgbà tá a débẹ̀ kábíyèsí ní máa ṣàwọn fún mi chance láti sọ̀rọ̀ ó kọ̀ bẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún mi ni lórí ẹ̀tọ́ mi ó bẹ̀ sí ní ṣépè fún mi lórí ẹ̀tọ́ mi ní bàbá ẹ jẹ́ kí n sọ̀rọ̀ kí ni kò gbogbo ẹ̀tọ́ ń bè lọ́ọ́ mi pẹ̀lú ìbọn wọ́n gbé ìbọn tìmí lẹ́yìn báyìí at least àwọn boys tó wà bẹ̀ more than 20 tó wẹ̀ tí wọ́n fi tọ́fi gbomi ní ara kò ń ṣe tó wẹ̀ mi ò ń lo colour tó wẹ̀ rárá white ni mo ń lò àwọn sọ ń bẹ̀ pé ṣé kọ́ gbé lọ sọ́nà ẹnu ọ̀gbẹ́ kọ́ lọ pa síbẹ̀ ni àbí whatever so wọ́n ṣàbẹ̀sì ìgbà tí máa gbó sókè mo rí pọ́n fídíò mi máa wò pé well tí n bá calm down pẹ̀lú àwọn people you can do many things so from there wọ́n wá gbé mi security ilé ẹ̀ either security or oní kàkàkí lọ́wọ́ pé wọ́n yẹ iṣẹ́ ni yóò dáa òun ló fún mi ní aṣọ ló kó aṣọ fún mi lára àwọn boys Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ more than bíi 15 lórí èmi nìkan lóru yẹn wọ́n nà mí gan seriously at the end of the day bàbá yẹn kó aṣọ fún mi mo wọṣọ yẹn aṣọ yẹn wà lọ́mí as evidence ọ̀la mẹ́ta fún omi mi ì lè rí anybody bá sọ̀rọ̀ ó wá gbé mi lọ sí area ajé wọ́n fi mi sílẹ̀ sí station there I spent 2 days ó ní wọn gbọ́dọ̀ fún anybody ní chance ní ìrẹ́ni kankan tí mo lè pè the next thing ni bọ̀bọ̀ kan bá wá olóhùn ọlọ́pàá láti Àbújá ìyẹn tẹ̀fẹ́ gba statement wá rí pé mi ì lè sọ̀rọ̀ ó náà olóòna mi ní kan bèèrè lọ́wọ́ Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ gbogbo ojú yìí gbogbo ẹnu yìí mo kàn ń pọ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ni kódà àwọn ojú tí mo ń wò ìmí kan mi lè fi ká anything mi ò lè fi ká anything lára àwọn award tí wọ́n fún wa láti federal fún election bàbá mo pẹ̀lẹ́ tó gba award yẹn mo gbé sórí chef mi Saheed ìgbìlẹ̀ gbé award yẹn ó fọmọ mi lórí ó fi ń gbá mi gidi tí wọ́n pé gbogbo yìí báyìí wú gbogbo ojú mi báyìí mi ò rí nǹkan kan so wọ́n lọ pé area command nígbà tí pàtì Àbújá ní mátà tí wá òun ò ní nǹkan tó wọ́n lè ṣe gbogbo táìmì yẹn mi lè sọ̀rọ̀ látó di ọjọ́ kẹta mo ṣe ń wò pé kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ mo wá ń sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀díẹ̀ so ìgbà tí ọlọ́pàá máa bèèrè lọ́wọ́ mi tó máa ní kí kọ statement mi ní mi lè kọ statement because mi ò ríran gbogbo nǹkan tí mo ṣàlàyé fún ẹni yìí mi ò rí pé má rí pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ̀yin sọ pé mo sọ̀rọ̀ sórí Facebook lórí Facebook tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ sí ṣé kò ní mínì ni ṣé kò wá pa mí sílé láti sọ àìmọye lọ sórí Facebook láti sọ ọ̀rọ̀ ìpè nǹkan báyìí báyìí ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí ìlú mi tí ìlú mi ò dẹ̀ belong sẹ́pẹ̀ ṣé mistake tí mo ṣe nìyẹn ok nǹkan báyìí ní Saheed ṣe wọ́n ṣe mí léṣe wọ́n ṣe gbá oníkìfì bẹ̀yẹn lẹ̀ lórí ẹ̀tọ́ ìlú mi so gbogbo gba yẹn wàhálà yẹn wà lẹ́rẹ̀ pẹ́tẹ́ gbàtí wọ́n wà yẹn tún rí mi wá ó ní báyìí kí ló tún ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ o ìyẹn wá ní kí ló dé tí mo sọ̀rọ̀ sórí máa sọ̀rọ̀ because ìtú Saheed ń pa ní ìlú Ìlàmìjà Saheed ń ṣe ìlú Ìlàmìjà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni pé ìlú bàbá ẹ̀ tí bàbá ẹ̀ bá fámìlì wà ní Ìlàmìjà kó mú jáde kárí ẹbí mi ò dẹ̀ talẹ̀ fún ilẹ̀ tí Saheed ní nínú ẹbí mi ní Ìlàmìjà kò kọjá 2 plot ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ǹsì gbogbo olùwà tán pẹ̀lú ọ̀n tọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀ tó máa kó síbẹ̀ àtọlọ́pàá at least more than 15 vehicle ló máa kó wá sórí site wa àwọn bọ́ ìṣẹ́ dẹ̀ ní wọ́n lo max wọ́n ní max tó yẹ pé ẹ̀ nímọ̀ pé wọ́n lo max àtọlọ́pàá wọ́n lo max tó wá fẹ́ ṣe many things tí mo dẹ̀ ní evidence bó ṣe lọ for fence for everything nínú ìlú mi so at the end of the day a padà wá sílé the next thing ó ní ká máa ṣe undertaking pé ilẹ̀ tí gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì fún wa ní sí ọ̀fọ̀ ẹ̀ àwọn family tó ní ìlú àní débẹ̀ ó sọ ní Àbújá lọ́jọ́ lọ́nà pé a gbọ́dọ̀ débẹ̀ pé ká ṣe undertaking but lọ́la pé ká lè bọ́ nínú ìṣòro yẹn torí àmọ́ tán wípé ilé ṣe fún wa pé wẹ́ tàbá délé àtú èrò ara wa pa stand so bàtà dé padà sí ilé ojú kan ọgbọ́n ẹ̀sẹ̀ bó ṣe ń kó kí lè léyìí àsàtìjẹ́ta mo yìí gbọ́ pé ọlọ́run fọ́ fẹ́ǹsì ní Ìlàmìjà again àsàtìjẹ́ta àwọn bọ́ìsì ẹ̀ ọlọ́run fọ́ fẹ́ǹsì ní ìlú Ìlàmìjà bóyá ó ti gba judge ni àbí I don't know mi ò mọ mo lè put ẹ̀ you understand ó dẹ̀ rí pé ó ń lo ọlọ́pàá fi ṣiṣẹ́ ibi gidi fún wa tó fún dé yìí mo bẹ̀ gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà mo bẹ̀ governor wa Sanwó-Olú mo bẹ̀ bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu our president kó jọ̀ọ́ kó ṣàánú wa ní Lámìjà tó bá jẹ́ sí ọ̀fọ̀ ló fẹ́ jẹ́ kí Lámìjà parẹ́ kó pa wá dànù government kó revoke sí ọ̀fọ̀ ẹ̀ kí government revoke sí ọ̀fọ̀ ẹ̀ kó fi lu wálẹ̀ fún wa kó má jà kú dànù torí ọwọ́ tí Saidi gbé èmi ò believe pé Saidi land grabber ni no kidnapper gidi ni because oni mind ìwọ nìkan tó kọ́ ló kọ́ ṣe àjàngbalẹ̀ láti wọnú ilé mi wá já mi sí òwò mo bẹ̀ wọ́n èèyàn wa ní Nàìjíríà ní gbogbo àgbáyé pápátá àtọmọdé àtàgbà àtobìnrin àtọkùnrin kó bá fojú wo kí Saidi kó fìlú wálẹ̀ fún wa kó jọ kó má pààyàn sí wa lọ́rùn.
Some of you are aware that we started the campaign against land grabbing in Lagos State and Ogun State sometimes in April 2023, precisely April 18 in this hall. And since then we have received several petitions and complaints. And the reason why you are seeing us, the CHSR, collaborating with the Lawyer for Reform group is because we share the same agenda in defending the right of indigent persons from the hands of unscrupulous elements. This man beside me, the video has gone viral. And having watched the video, some of the representatives of those who are involved, you have seen a Wale speaking for himself. A victim here, Mr. Shamsidin Oluwo, his picture and video is trending on the social media where he's been stripped naked. Our today press conference is to call on the Inspector General of Police, Mr. Cairo-Egypt, the Police Service Commission, headed by Arasi, and the House Committee on Police, the Speaker House of our Representative, the Senate President, and Mr. President himself, Mr. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, to look into this issue because it's becoming more rampant, and not only in Lagos again and Ogun, it has extended to Osun State, and gradually, if care is not properly taken and they are not checkmate now, the land grabbers will turn the entire country to something else. And the reason why they were doing this and go scot-free is because the security agencies were not seeing it as a challenge to themselves, because they have not seen it as a security challenge. Until they take it as a security challenge, then this issue will have a dimension, we have a leeway. So our appeal to the eminent people like President, the Speaker, the Senate President, is to come to the rescue of the victim.
Shamsidin Oluwo, ọmọ bíbí inú Ẹ̀pẹ́ ni mí. Ní July 8, 2023, mo jẹ́ site manager fún ọ̀gá mi. A ní iṣẹ́ ní ilẹ̀ kan ní ó pè ní Lámìjà ní Ẹ̀pẹ́ tí a ti ń ṣiṣẹ́. Mo kọ́ àwọn boys bricklayer lọ síbẹ̀ láti lè ṣiṣẹ́ nìkan bí aago 10 àárọ̀. Ká tó rí ìṣẹ́jú 10 sígbà tí mo débẹ̀ yẹn, mo kàn déédéé rí mọ́tò rẹpẹtẹ tó wá pẹ̀lú ọlọ́pàá rẹpẹtẹ pẹ̀lú àwọn Cultists lóríṣiríṣi. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá tó dẹ̀ wá yìí wọ́n lọ bí 50 nígbà táwọn boys yẹn lọ bí 100 boys. Wọ́n dẹ̀ dé àtọ́kọ̀ àwọn ọlọ́pàá àti àwọn boys tó wá ìbọn lọ́dà bolẹ̀ straight bullet lọ́yìn fẹ́ everybody tó di pé everybody ń sáré kiri àìmọye ẹlòmíì nìbọn bá ló gbé bullet lọ lé wọn lọ treat ẹ̀. Mo ò lè sáré torí mo fẹ́ kí ìbọn bá mi, mo láti dúró. Saidi Bílẹ̀ àtàwọn boys ẹ̀ yìí wọ́n rush mi pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá. Saidi ló fi irin ṣe mí léṣe ní ojú yìí, ló la irin gan mi lójú ìbílẹ̀. Wọ́n nà mí bí kíkú báyìí ni wọ́n wá kó wa sínú mọ́tò, wọ́n náà lọ pa wá. Èmi àtàwọn boys 5 ajẹ́ 6 pẹ̀lú èmi. wọ́n náà máa lọ pa wá wọ́n wá gbé wa kúrò lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ títì níbi tá a ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ wọ́n wà lọ sí inú igbó wọ́n gbé wa lọ́nu igbó wọ́n náà lọ pa wá síbẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà tá a máa dé inú igbó tó máa já wa lẹ́nu mọ́tò wọ́n fa aṣọ bò wá lójú wọ́n náà lọ pa wá Ọlọ́run wá bá mi ṣe àwọn àgbẹ̀ ni wọ́n méjì ọkùnrin wọ́n ń bọ̀ wọ́n rìn sásìkò wọ́n wá sọ fún ìbílẹ̀ pé àwọn kan mà ló ń bọ̀ yìí kí ni káwọn ṣe kàn wọ́n lé wọn padà ó ní ẹ má lé wọn padà kó má lè mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ó ní kán tú ojú wa sódà wọn ò lè mọ ìkan tó wọn fẹ́ ṣe fún wa báwọn ẹni pípù yẹn ṣe kọjá wọn kì wọn kọjá wọ́n máa fún wọn ní wọ́n ní Saheed ìbílẹ̀ fúnra rẹ̀ ló ń fún wọn wọ́n ní pé kó má gbà bẹ̀ yẹn padà bọ̀ mọ́ bọ́ ṣe ń lọ yẹn ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn dẹ̀ náà wọ́n ti gbọ́ wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí náà wá tẹ́tíá gáàsì sí wa lójú pẹ̀lú àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọ́n tẹ nà mí gan nígbà tó yá Saheed ìbílẹ̀ ní kó já mi sí o pé o lòun máa pa mí sí wọ́n já mi sí o mo wá rò pé nígbà tí wọ́n rí pé àwọn pípù yẹn ti kọjá wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé tọ́wọ́n bá pa wá ń bẹ̀ yẹn àwọn tó kọjá yẹn ó lè dè kan tó máa lọ sọ kan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ń ta wọn ò rí kan yẹn ṣe mọ́ wọ́n ní kí gbogbo wa bọ́ sínú omi ẹ̀rọ̀fọ̀ tó wà ní gbóǹbẹ̀ ká máa wẹ̀ ń wò wọ́n nà wá bí ká kú wọ́n wá gbé mi kúrò ń bẹ̀ ó di alágbọ̀n ọlọ́jà mi sí alágbọ̀n mo lu ọ̀sẹ̀ kan lálágbọ̀n from alágbọ̀n wọ́n tún gbé mi again ó di Àbújá mo lu ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì ní Àbújá kó tó tún gbé mi padà wá sálágbọ̀n wọ́n gbé mi lọ kóòtù fún mi ní bẹ́ẹ̀lì bẹ́ẹ̀ láti gbà yẹn mo lè jáde ńlẹ̀ torí Saheed ìbílẹ̀ fún àwọn bọ́ìsì ṣọ́ mi kiri ibikíbi tí bá ti dé mọ àwọn tí mi ò mọ̀ rí ní má kàn déédéé rí tó máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí bá mi jà nà mí bí kí n kú báyìí lórí Saheed ìbílẹ̀ tó ní wọn bá gbọ́dọ̀ pa mí ìyẹn mo ṣe ní kí sáwá bá gbogbo Nàìjíríà kó ràn mí lọ́wọ́ kí president wa bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kó bá dá sọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó ràn mí lọ́wọ́ gọ́fúnà wa ní Èkó ń bí Babájídé Sanwó-Olú afẹ́kàn náà ràn wá lọ́wọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí mo rí ti pọ̀ jù mo lè jáde lọ síbi tí mo ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ báyìí ọmọ ìbílẹ̀ máa àtáàkì mi lọ́nà wọ́n máa nà mí ni inú ilé mo ń gbé látijọ́ yìí mo yọ́ jáde lé ní tí mo fi débí báyìí ni ìyẹn mo ní kí wá kí sọ fún gbogbo Nàìjíríà ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àgbáyé ẹ ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ gbà mí lọ́wọ́ Saheed ìbílẹ̀ o land grabber níbẹ̀ tí eléyìí ń ṣe land grabber mọ́ ayákìlà ló ń ṣe o gbogbo ibi tí bá dé mo lè rìn iṣẹ́ ayákìlà ló ń ṣe kì í ṣe land grabber rárá o wọ́n ní kó lọ pa mí ni o àti jẹ́ àti mú dé ọ̀ràn fún mi sí torí mo lè jáde nílé ìdí bá ti jáde ni máa kàn rán ọ̀bọ̀ ìsì tí mo mọ̀ lọ́mọ máa lé mi kiri máa yọ̀rìn ni mo wá sáde Nàìjíríà mo sáde gbogbo àgbáyé ẹgbàá mi lọ́wọ́ Saheed ìbílẹ̀